Welcome to 1529 Mesa, Verde Court. This neat 5-bedroom, 2.5-bath home with a 2-car garage and spacious interior. Sits on a cul-de-sac street in the Ridgeview neighborhood in Lexington. Convenient to I-20, Lexington amenities, and just a quick commute to Columbia. So we're outside. You can see the home again sits on a cul-de-sac. You have a nice sized driveway here leading up to the 2-car garage, and then walkway up to the front door. And we enter into the living room, so it's an open floor plan, main floor. So you enter into the main living space. You have sort of a living room open to kind of a family room at the back end off of the entry. Nice window going out towards the front. You also have a closet conveniently located off the front door. And then right off the space here as well is a half or guest bathroom with a single pedestal sink and commode. Then windows out towards the backyard. You can see stairs going to the second level where all the bedrooms and bathrooms are, and then the view to the eat-in dining area and the kitchen. The kitchen has granite countertops and stainless steel appliances. You have wood cabinets and a nice center island with some bar seating there. You have lots of storage space in here, cabinets on those walls, and also a nice closet for storage, as well as a walk-in pantry on this side. And additionally, on the side near off the garage, you have a coat closet there. So access to the garage is here. And you have kind of a nice recessed area where you can kind of use that as sort of a mud room, or put a bench there and possibly just somewhere to hang some jackets or that kind of thing when you kind of come in, a staging area. 2-car garage again. You can see it's a medium size or small SUV in there right now, just to give you an idea of scale. And then again, in the kitchen you have an included side-by-side refrigerator, smooth top, electric range, above range microwave, and the dishwasher. And then window over the kitchen sink. Access to the backyard, of course, is via the sliding door here. Let's see if we can adjust that light for you. It's pretty bright out here. So you have a patio out back, and that overlooks sort of the yard looking out towards the space between the row of houses there. So again, the other bedrooms in the home are upstairs. So we have 5 bedrooms again up here. This is the primary suite. It does have 2 walk-in closets. So one here and then another one on this side, as well as its own private bathroom. You have double sinks in here and shower and tub. Excuse me, walk-in shower. And you can see the nice window looking out towards the front, and a nice sized room. Across the hall, bedroom number 2. Then we continue on down. You have your guest bathroom to the right here, or your second full bathroom rather. Double sinks again, solid surface countertops, and the shower and tub. Nice window, and I believe you do have, actually, yes, you do have a linen closet here behind the door. We'll continue to cycle around. Bedroom 3, this one does have its own walk-in. Fourth bedroom here, also with a walk-in closet. You do have an attic access hatch. There may be some storage up there, possibly. And then your laundry room, full size. You can see there is a side-by-side washer dryer pair currently in there. You will want to verify with the leasing office as to whether or not those will be included in the rental. And again, bedroom, last but not least, number 5. So that completes our tour of this home. Again, the address here is 1529 Mesa Verde Court in Lexington. You can find more information online at sc.purepm.co.